Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Saturday, April the 16th. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper of the Friday, April the 15th. And I've already done two puzzles: the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. Those two puzzles, pain in the ass, yes. Need more time than usual, but maybe the cause is my broken toe, pinky toe, yes. So I'm not in the mood for solving the Sudokus for today, yes. Alright, what we have. One puzzle left, yes. The one-star Tectonic, number 4418. Alright, for a one-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. First question, can we see here the single box? No single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes, no dual boxes also. Triple boxes, no triple boxes also. See, only one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Here also. Quadra box, when you see a quadra box, the inside box is always a 5. Here also quadra box in the L shape. Inside box is always a 5. Two boxes left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. This shape, let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box, same number as that box. Here, rotated. This box, same number as that box. Then. Those, yeah. The L shape. We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. This box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape with 5 boxes. Here we have 4 boxes. It's not the same. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Remember, if you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. And the last one, the T shape. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 or 4. Quadra box. Overlooked. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4 out of 6, because maximum are 6 shapes. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Oh, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 5 there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5 then. But we already have a 5. So it's not the solution to place the 5 there. The 5 supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2, should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4, should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. It can be 2. It can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. That means that this box can be 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there and double 3 there. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 and 1. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1 and that box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 2 anymore. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This is 1. This is a 1. Okay. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can it be a 3 and a 4? With a double 3 and a double 4 there. It can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left, a 3 and a 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4 and it can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for 2 and a 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 4. Yeah. Thinking. This box cannot be A2. That box cannot be A2. And this box cannot be A2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 4. Yeah. The 1 is missing here. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I need to trigger these. 1, 3, and a 4 is missing here. 4 could be everywhere. I'm thinking, well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have also there 3, so double 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 supposed to be there, and the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. The 1 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Finish in 30 minutes. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Yes, that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Easter days. Well, tomorrow, Easter Sunday, I will continue, not with there's no additional in today's newspaper. No, I will continue, I think, with the Tuesday. Yeah, the Tuesday edition. So every day I will solve some puzzles. Monday also. Monday I will do the last week Monday edition. Maybe I will do the Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. We will see. We will see. But I have a broken toe at the moment. Pinky toe, yes. Thank you. Bye bye for now.